Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to dive into the world of baking and learn how to make a simple, delicious carrot cake. So, let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 F175C. While that's heating up, grab a large mixing bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix these dry ingredients together. In a separate bowl, combine 2 cups of grated carrots, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a half cup of brown sugar, 4 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these wet ingredients together. Now, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix everything together until it's well combined. You'll notice that the batter is quite thick, which is perfect for this recipe. Pour the batter into a 9x 13-inch baking pan and bake it for 45-50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once it's done, let it cool completely before frosting it. For the frosting, you'll need a half cup of butter, a half cup of cream cheese, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 cups of powdered sugar. Cream together the butter and cream cheese until they're smooth and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and powdered sugar, and mix everything until it's light and fluffy. Spread the frosting over the cooled cake, and voila! You've got yourself a delicious carrot cake. Remember, the key to this recipe is using freshly grated carrots, so don't skimp on that step. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can add some chopped walnuts or raisins to the batter for an extra crunch. Thank you so much for joining me today in learning how to make a simple, delicious carrot cake. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a like, and don't forget to follow for more tasty treats. Happy baking!